I don't know about you, but it's frustrating when you can't just get things to work. This video is specifically for my GoHighLevel users. I'm gonna show you how to do a webhook to look up information about a lead in GoHighLevel using things like make, n8n, and Zapier. Specifically in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do it in Zapier. It's gonna be a pretty short video, but it took me about an hour to figure out, so I figured might as well film it for you guys to cut down the time because I couldn't find a video for myself. So this is a more complicated workflow where I have information coming in from a meeting recording, but the connection doesn't capture a lot about the lead. And so what I wanted to do is I had their email. And so we used to use ActiveCampaign and it was really easy. You would just click lookup, contact information, and give you all their information. So what I had to do is use Lead Connector, which is GoHighLevel's native integration. And I did really simple, just update contact information. And then I went ahead and put in their email details below. You'll see in the results that basically it's only giving you a contact ID. So the contact ID is specific to that contact and is helpful for the next step, but did not give me what I wanted because I wanted company name, first, last name, everything about them. So what I had to do was then go to a webhook. We're going to do a get. So basically what we're doing is we're shooting out information to GoHighLevel and asking it to give us information back. So you're going to do that get, just webhook, and you have to have, I think, a pro plan with GoHighLevel. And then you're going to do res.gohighlevel.com v1-contact, and then just the contact ID. I also tried to do this with email, and maybe someone else can get it to work, but I was not able to get it to work with just email. Then down below, you're going to just leave pretty much everything blank. JSON, no. Make sure this is blank. That was giving me an error. Yes, that was all blank. Authentication. All right, so basically most of this you're gonna leave exactly the same as it was. We're scrolling down. You'll do authentication, and then you'll do barrier with one space, and then you're gonna take your GoHighLevel API key. So to get your GoHighLevel API key, you'll just log into GoHighLevel. You'll go all the way at the bottom. There's gonna be settings. And then you'll go to my business profile, and then there'll be your API key right here. Don't refresh it, because if you refresh it, anything that's connected to it will stop working. So that will give you your API key, and then contact type application-JSON. So you guys can just copy and paste that, super simple. I'll leave it up for a second, but that's really it. And then once you go ahead and do this, it will come in and then it'll output. So I put test information, so it output everything about that lead. So this is my information, and it's got first, last name, contact, lead sources. So pretty much anything that's filled in through the system. I don't know if it has everything, but it's pulling out enough that I can do what I needed to do. So in the next step, I'm going to use that to make a pre-filled out link and to help me do some really cool stuff. But I just wanted to do a short video on how to actually get that because it was so frustrating, and I feel like there's more people looking how to do that. If you guys like content like this, please make sure to subscribe down below. I appreciate it. Thank you.